welcome back to Anne's Family Video. And today we're going to the snow. Gosh, Mom, big, it's so loud. Baby! And guess who's here? Johan! And I love playing with Johan every single time. Whenever I come at home, they always say, "Hello, let's play, let's play." And Johan's so cute when he says that. And he makes a lot of, and he makes fun. So whenever we watch like funny videos, he keeps on laughing on them like a cute little, yeah. Are those Lamborghinis? No, they're not. Well, that costs a lot of dollars. You want to buy that? I see Bumblebee over there. Yeah. Do you see him? Yeah. You like it? Yeah. So you guys, Bumblebee is there. So where are we gonna stop next? What? A green one. Yeah. So guys, I'll see you later. So bye.
Daddy! Johan! Hi! Baby! Where are we going? Snow? You excited? Yeah? How about you? You excited? Wow!
Okay guys, now we're here at the snow with Chaponks. Hi. Hashtag Johan. Well, he likes me calling him Chaponks. Look, I like it. Look, my beanie. Chapon. Oh, you look so cute on that. Yeah, let's go. I'm so ready. Let's go. Bye bye. Bye bye. So good. Oh, here you are. It's so cold. What's in the snow angel?
Good job!
Woohoo!
Hold tight, okay? Don't be scared, okay?
You like it?
Yes.
So guys, now we're here back in the car and we had a blast in the snow, right? Yeah. What are you eating? French fries? Got chips. Yummy. I'm kind of sick right now. So here we go. Daddy, where are we going now?
Salt Lake Tahoe.
Salt Lake Tahoe. Oh, Yoan's happy about that. Oh, and I forgot, guys. Merry Christmas! And if you guys celebrate Christmas, comment down below. If you guys don't, just comment down below saying as if you celebrate Christmas. Okay, he participated because it's snowing, it's cold, and because it's on the weather, it's why. Okay guys, now we're back at home and right now we're gonna open a toy. But where's our toy? I maybe have to get my magic wand. I'm gonna snap. Okay guys, I got the wand and we need the wand. So we're gonna turn it on. So 1, 2, 3, let's. Whoa, I got it. It says that MC Journal Pack. I didn't know I was going to open this today. Well, I might have known it. But here we go, opening my MC Journal Pack. Oh my gosh. Yes, we can open it. My wish come true has begun. Okay, we just. Bye-bye. Here it is. We can open this up. Oh. Well, okay. Says, gonna wear my sweater. I might put it under. Okay. Okay, guys. I have a secret. What is this? This is open. Help me, Daddy, open this. It moves. my god. This is so cute. It says UV highlight. These are the stickers that I've been wanting to get out. This is, oh. Okay,
Yan.
the light is in here, so how do you open it? Okay. Hallelujah. Ow. Okay. It says, oh, I can't do it. Oh.
And family video.
So guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!